This Mediterranean baked feta has become my go-to appetizer for dinner parties. It's incredibly simple, yet delivers a perfect bite. Simple, warm feta topped with a blend of Greek olives, sun-dried tomatoes, and herbs. Give me the next 2 minutes and I'll show you how easy and delicious this is. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and place your feta in a baking dish. The appetizer is all about the feta, so go for quality. I also use goat feta because it can be easier to digest than cow's milk. Next, prep your topping. A cup of Greek olives. Castelvetrano olives are my personal favorite for a pop of color, but you can also mix them with calamatas. Here is my easy slicing trick. Place your whole olives on a plastic deli-type lid with edges so they don't roll away, and then place a second lid on top and slice through the gap. That's it. All you need is a sharp knife. Also, an easy slice of drained sun-dried tomatoes into yummy bite-sized pieces. Last, peel 3 cloves of fresh garlic, snip off the root end, and then smash with the flat surface of your knife's blade. And the skins peel right off. A brilliant 5-second fresh garlic prep time. In a medium mixing bowl, add your olives, your sun-dried tomatoes, and fresh press the garlic, juices and all, so delicious. Pour in your best extra virgin olive oil for full-bodied flavor, and your favorite seasonings. I love these spices from Oaktown Spice Shop. The Greek seasoning has a zippy citrus and bright herb flavor. A pinch of red pepper flakes for a hint of heat, irresistible in the dish, and a few turns of fresh ground pepper for added depth. I don't add salt as there's enough in the brined cheese, olives, and tomatoes. Mix your topping ingredients together with a stir, and here's a secret. Pour the topping all over the feta, making sure it's fully coated in the oil. Then push the olives and sun-dried tomatoes and everything else to the side so they don't burn in the oven. Bake for 20 minutes until the feta is softened. Then I turn on the top broiler for about 1 to 2 minutes to lightly brown the top of the feta. Just watch that you don't burn the olives and sun-dried tomatoes. Once out of the oven, spoon some of the topping back over the feta. Baked feta tastes great with something crunchy like crostinis, crackers, or I love cucumber slices, just to keep my carb intake to a minimum. To make life easy, you can assemble the dish ahead of time, refrigerate, and bake right before your guests arrive. This dish will disappear in minutes. It's a crowd pleaser, I guarantee it. Enjoy.